Today we are playing a game called Drink Roll.
It's a game that we made up.
How it works is we get to pick which side we want to roll on, and then we roll a dice. This is lightning speed, roll pose, and this is mine. And then if I roll that, I would get this because that's the one that it's in front of.
Yeah.
And so let's just get it to it. And I'm going first.
Yeah.
We're not telling you if you want to learn about the Gatorade. And well, I'm gonna go with this side because I really like Meta Moon. And there's chocolate milk at the end of that. So I got milk. Now I'm gonna taste test the milk. Okay, it was good.
Now it's my turn, so I'm just gonna roll.
Delicious. It's my turn again. And I'm not gonna go for the Gatorade thing yet, but my new Orange Crush, I'm gonna go for. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well if it goes off the edge, I guess we get the one on the edge. So, it's water, it's boring. Tastes like water. It's boring.
Now it's my turn and I'm on this side, so let's just roll. Blue Gatorade, okay, let's try this. I know a lot of you guys might like it, but I'm not really I don't like blue Gatorade.
It's back on my turn. I'm going for the same red as last time. Oh, I got, I don't know what this says, because I am about to go to 4th grade. Great. That's great.
Lemonade, I think.
So it's back on my why is Superman there? I'm just gonna ignore that. Oh, I was going for the Gatorade, but I missed. Can't believe I got chocolate milk. Tastes like the best thing ever. No, it doesn't, but it tastes good. It's such a coincidence that I got milk and chocolate milk. What if I get strawberry milk too? It's gonna be so crazy if I get all the milks. Dude.
Okay, hi again. I'm doing this side again. I just really want this. Why is Superman there? What? Why are you moving Superman? Okay, I guess he moved away.
The Superman grabbed me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Best thing I've ever tasted.
Now let's just, oh, that got that. Whatever this thing is. I don't know what that says, but
It's vitamin.
having it. Okay. Disgusting! Disgusting! That's disgusting!
I'm just gonna move these a bit so it's more easier to get them now.
Okay.
And I love grape flavored things.
Now let's just roll it. What did I get? I got this. Okay. It's good. Like, it was good, but it wasn't too good. But I still liked it.
And here,
Delish. It's my turn again. I'm gonna go for this guy because there's still a lot of drinks on here. Oh my. What a It tastes like disgusting water, dude. It tastes so bad.
should I try this?
No.
Oh, man, I want to try it.
Let Poe try it
After.
so he can see how bad it is.
Okay.
Okay, if you really want to see what that is.
I'm gonna try it. This tastes like water.
It tastes disgusting.
Now I'm just gonna roll. Let's see what I get. Ooh. This. It's Blue Chill Prime. Delish.
Okay, found my dice, and let's just roll. Metamoon. Okay. Now let's just have this Metamoon. I'm so excited because it's themed space, and I really love space. It's better than chocolate milk. It's the best thing I've had so far in this challenge.
Which is, oh yeah, it's closer to the...
It's closer to that, dude.
Delicious. Delicious. This is the best milk. I've had the other two, and this is the best.
I'm going for Crush. Let's just get it. Oh, well, I was going for that side, so I guess I already get Crush. There was nothing right there, so I guess I get Crush. But it was good, but yeah. This is yours. That's yours. That's yours.
Good.
My turn. 7-Up. I really like 7-Up. I'm not going for Waterloo. And I don't know, the cameraman might drink the Waterloo. But I'm gonna aim. 3, 2, 1. I got it! I got it! It was good. But I like 7-Up better.
Best one so far.
I'm scared. I hated the first. Disgusting. So, our favorite drinks, here are Metamoon and 7-Up. And comment down below what your favorite drink is. And like.